Mortgage rates falling this week to their lowest level in over a year. Yahoo Finance's Danny Romero joins us now with more. We've been waiting for some kind of decline like this. Break it down for us.
It's finally happening. Good news for potential home buyers and even homeowners themselves. The mortgage rates fell to the lowest level in over a year. Freddie Mac reported the average rate on the 30-year fixed mortgage rate dropped to 6.47% from 6.73% last week. The drop in mortgage rates does come as there is expectation that the Fed will cut rates this fall, next month, which has brought long-term bond yields to fall, which is also pushing mortgage rates down. Now, remember, the Fed doesn't set mortgage rates, but its policies do influence the direction of where mortgage rates are going. But this has been an opportunity for potential home buyers to come out of the woodwork if mortgage rates continue to keep falling. We've already seen that the refinancing activity has come up. We've seen a boost last week, about 16% applications to refinance. That's what Mortgage Bankers Association reported now. But we also have seen the housing market kind of turn the other way in favor of the buyer than the seller. We've seen the total number of homes actually increase about 36% in July. That's what Realtor reported. And some industry experts say that the housing market could be normalizing soon.
All right, so given all that, Danny, what did we see at the home builders today?
So home builders, a handful of home builders have reported second quarter earnings over the past few weeks. Now, home builders are expecting that mortgage rates to come down, but that doesn't mean that they're going to take the pedal off the incentive levels that they have been offering. The most popular one has been the mortgage rate buy downs. That's when the builder upfronts the cost to lower the rate on the loan. That's not going anywhere. And especially now that inventory is rising on the resale side of things, there's more competition for them. So more of an incentive to keep those incentives on the table, especially for cautious buyers that are really looking to get into the housing market.
Go right ahead, Hakeem. What is your thought when it comes to the aspect of the mortgage rate?
Thank you. I think this is a great idea. Rates has been very expensive. We're talking about upwards of 15, 16%. Gladly, it's lower that. Shout outs to Truth and Purpose. Shout outs to Truth and Purpose. Hey, everybody. Truth is doing some good things at his show over there. Truth, drop your link in the description. Drop your link so we can pin it, so y'all can go out there and like and subscribe and support that good brother there. So, you know me, with the mortgage rate things, we're saying that a lot of us who want to be future home buyers, and especially if y'all who want to have kids, this is a good sign that the market is shifting. You know what I'm saying? And we're going to a way where it might start to get better for y'all. So that means that the principles and the interest rate you're going to pay on the mortgage is that, but the prices hasn't gone down yet. It still is a seller's market more than a buyer's market. The good thing is the interest rate. If you can find a good deal, you're not going to be so much taxed on it.
No, that sounds about right. I was saying my apologies. My apology to the audience. Right now, I'm having technical difficulty due to the fact of the storm that passed through in Miami. It was a severe storm, so it's messing up my internet connection. So that's why I seem on my side seem like I'm a little bit blurry. But at the same time, we really do greatly appreciate it. Shout out to Aston Wim, co-host, creator of the Shiesty Avenger, is also in the building. Go ahead, Hakeem.
Hey, shout out to Lawrence Jules. That's my cousin right there. That's the twins.
Oh, Lawrence Jules?
Lawrence Jules, that's the twins. Hey, yo, he said we got to bring him back for the money talk. Hey, let him know we got to bring him back. Hey, people, he's going to come us and bless us to help the Black community, and we're going to be very aggressive to bring you financial news, financial literacy, to make sure we get y'all back on track.
Yeah, so Hakeem did go ahead and set that up, because that's where you already know when it comes to the aspect of me, I love to talk about the money. And don't forget, you gotta wrench him up, Hakeem. Don't just leave him out there barefooted. You gotta wrench him up. You just can't leave him out here not doing his thing. But like, shout out to you, another favorite. Shout out to those who are watching on Facebook, Instagram, Kick, and also Twitch. We really do greatly appreciate you guys. Go ahead, Hakeem.
So look what George said. He said, regarding mortgage, it's more important that your credit score is tight and your down payment is tight. Beware of condos in Florida. He said it, people.
But why you say beware of condos in Florida? I want to know. Lawrence, why you say beware of condos in Florida? Can you please explain that very quickly? And not only that, but I'm gonna give you my quick take when it comes to the mortgage rate. Now, there is some good mortgage company that is allowing like first home buyers that to help them out, and not only that to be able to buy their first home. Not only that, but I also heard they say it's also a bad idea to do 30-year mortgages because when you do 30 years mortgages, it literally puts you in the hole. Dave Ramsey talks about it a lot. A lot of financial gurus also talks about that as well. Like they always say, soon you get a mortgage, try to pay it off as much as you can. Don't do that 30-year mortgage rate because if you do that 30-year mortgage rate, it's gonna put you in the hole. Shout out to Josh. Shout out to Josh W. That's also in the building. Josh W. Really do greatly appreciate you for always being here and always supporting the platform. And also, Troop Never Afraid will also come and also support the platform as well. And also Aston Williams. So, Hakeem, that was say it's very important if we're going to buy our first home. Me, I'm also looking to buy a home. Hakeem, you talk about that a
Same
lot.
here.
Even yourself, you say you're looking to buy property and also buying a home.
Property,
We
land.
got to find out where is a good company to have good mortgage rate. Go ahead, Hakeem.
So I was privileged to have a conversation with him, and he explained it well. Why to beware of condos. A lot of it is about the reserves, and condos fees has
Okay.
tremendously got up. So here, he said the new rules
Mm-hmm.
require condos to have reserves. So your condo fee may double unexpectedly. So let's say, for instance, you have a traditional condo fee which is $300-400. Now it's $800.
Right.
$800 compared a month. So, you know what I mean? So we talked about this, and he says that this is why it's very important that you have to have your down payment on track and your credit score. Right now, used to be okay to do a 630, a 640, or 650. Now they want you to have a 700 or 720. You know what I'm saying? And maybe 20% down payment instead of the traditional 3%. So it's really important to beware of condos and also be able to find a good deal. But one thing I'm gonna learn to tell you that I learned from my cousin and my mother, you have to
Mm-hmm.
buy what you have to buy what you can afford. That's the most important thing. And if you can't afford it, you might have to wait, either make more money, find ways to make more money, find ways to upgrade your pay, get a pay raise, go back to school so you can be able to buy a traditional home in a more better neighborhood.
And now that, but shout out to the lovely Sapphire Grace, who's also in the building. She also one of our heavy supporter. And as people can see, if you have that membership, and if you also want to become members, remember guys at the bottom right, there's a money sign. Click on the money sign, and it allow you to become a member. A member is pretty much allow you to see exclusive content. We will be working on very soon, which is like Chaos at the Dark. Hakeem doing his thing, Jordan doing his thing with him and
Mhm.
his lovely wife. So y'all will be able to see exclusive content coming soon. So guys, be on the lookout for that. And not only that, but it's also special emojis. Of course, we got me, Hakeem, Jordan, and also Chaos Culture Radio. We have our own emoji. But not only that, but if you're someone that support the platform, you have your emojis as well. We just added people that really support the platform. Emoji, so Fire Grace is one of them. As you can see, so if you remember, you can see the emojis. She's all over the board. And I remember I sent it to her. She was shocked. She's like, wow, I got an emoji. I said, yes, because you always support the platform. We want to show you how much we appreciate you. So guys, the more you support, not only that, it allows us to create more emojis. And especially if you want to buy stronger supporters, we will also give you emojis as well as a thank you for supporting the platform to bring KI Culture
Hey,
Radio back on the map. Go ahead, Akeem.
yeah, yeah. How can you gift Lawrence a membership? I want to gift him a membership. How do you do that?
Oh, you gotta go down to the money sign, click it. It's going at the bottom right. When you click the money sign, it should say give membership. It should be the last column. And then you'll be able to give him a membership.
Oh, it says super. Oh, I got to go into the
Yeah, with the
regular.
super chat, but yeah, the super chat, yeah. I know in the iPhone it's kind of difficulty. I know you go to Android is easy to do or a computer, you should be able to do it. And
All
you'll
right.
give him a membership. And just click on his name and you can give him a membership. Yeah.
Okay. Perfect.
Yeah, but shout out to everybody that do support the platform. Not only supporting the platform, but supporting the platform by watching it and stuff like that. But not only that, but shout out to the lovely Adrian Nicole for being in the building. And
Adrian
not only that,
Nicole.
Adrian Nicole for being in the building. And not only that, shout out to the lovely Sapphire Grace for gifting membership. She gifted Adrian Nicole, IB Wardy, B Love, Daryl Long, Tequila. Thank you guys so much for the membership.
Wonderful.
Yeah, man, we really do appreciate the membership, man. You guys are so beautiful. This is why I love the Chaos Culture Radio family, man. They are giving people, and I mean giving people in the aspect of supporting and watching the platform. We really do greatly appreciate you, Sophia. Thank you so much for the love. Lawrence, thank you again for. We're gonna have you on the show because I can tell you I love to talk about money. Hakeem can tell you I love the money talk. And last time you was on the show, I was like, man. So Hakeem, you gifted shout out to shout out to
Yeah, I don't know how to do it, man.
yeah. Well, Hakeem, you gifted Tickle My Fancy, Chicago Gorilla. You gifted Sherelle, shout out to that, Sugar Bump, and Arthur Victor. You know, I think I do it from a PC. It's tricky, bro. It's tricky.
Yeah,
We'll figure it out later. We'll
we'll
figure it
win.
out later. Yeah, but shout out to you, Hakeem, for doing your gifted membership. If you give it back to the platform, and not only that, guys, y'all should also. But we got an announcement after the announcement. Before we head on to the topic. Also now we no longer going to announce the Chaos Culture Radio where to go and get the gear because now Hakeem fixed it to the point that you guys could click on shop and it automatically comes up. It's in the description. So you can click
Yeah,
on it
and it's
and you
right
can
under
support
the
the
video.
platform. It's right under the video. So get your chaos. And not only that, he added a new polo shirt. Hakeem, I already ordered mine. It's coming in the mail with the new hat. So it's coming.
Li- Listen, Lawrence say he's willing to pay, but no, baby, you've already made you put your deposit down. Listen. At least let me pay for something. He's already put your deposit down. If it wasn't for him, your boy won't be here snapping at y'all. You feel what I'm saying?
And now that I'm shout out to the new Jordan era, he also gifted a member of Toronto. He gifted Toronto. Shout out to Jordan, even though
I
he's
tell you,
off with his lovely wife. Yeah, go ahead, Hakeem.
I need to be able to give Lawrence. Yeah, one of y'all gift him. I'm still trying to figure this out. But let me put this statement. He said, make sure you review the financial position of the condo before buying a
Mm-hmm.
condo. You must review the condo's balance sheet and review statement very clearly. It's clearly, and if you don't understand it, find somebody who can read it. A lawyer, a financial advisor, to make sure if the numbers make sense. He always says that. The numbers have to make sense. You know what I mean? And you got to look at your income, what you coming in a month, and see if you can afford it. You got to make sure you can afford what you're trying to buy. That goes for car payments. That goes for houses. That goes for anything.
Not only that, but like once again, happy birthday to Jordan, lovely wife.
Life,
This is
yeah.
chaos. It's a birthday today, so guys in the chat, please wish Jordan wife a very, very happy birthday. They're out there celebrating, even though he gifted. Remember, Jordan's out there doing this thing, loving on his wife, loving on his daughter. He's not stopping, and he
Happy
won't stop.
birthday.
Go ahead. I
No,
mean,
no, no.
I thought you were gonna sing again.
And
I was
I'm not
like,
gonna
you gonna
sing.
sing?
I'm not gonna sing.
But anyhow, hip hop, Hakeem, hip hop. So hip hop, bad news for Blueface. According to WAC 100, Blueface is not might,